coming tonight. Pero we wanted to do that song. Di ba ang title niya is Nobody, Nobody But You? Relating it to you clients, we want nobody, nobody but all of you. So thank you very much for coming, and we really appreciate the time that you spent with us tonight. Maraming salamat po. Let me now call on Eric for the closing remarks. Ang gaganda naman ng taga-kiss dyan.
Siyempre, maganda po.
Oh, maganda. Kiss Sir Jim?
Thank you for all our clients who are here tonight. And it is really our pleasure to be with you this evening. And our aim really was just to thank you all and just to show our appreciation for the partnership. And more than the business, it's really the trust that you have given us. So over the years and for the new clients that we have, thank you for the trust that you are giving us. And we would like you to know that we would still like to strengthen the relationship. And we are just happy to serve you. So I pray that you'll be blessed beyond what you can ask for or imagine. So along with your growth, we are just here. Thank you for being here. Sincerely.